Good morning students. In my last video I started exercise 16.1 and did up to question number 2. So today I am going to start from question number 3. Allow you see question number 3 of exercise 16.1. The area of a rectangular plot is 540 meters square. Its length is 27 meters. Find its breadth and perimeter. So first we have to find breadth. You know that formula for finding breadth is area upon length. So write down question number 3. Area of a rectangular plot equal to 540 meter square. Its length is equal to 27 meter. So breadth is equal to area upon length. 540 upon 27. 27 to the 54, 20 meter. So we got its breadth 20 meter. And perimeter, what is the formula for perimeter? A 2L+B is equal to 2, length is 27 plus breadth 20 is equal to 2 into 47, 94 meter. So perimeter of the plot is 94 meters. All of you understood? Okay. Now see question number 4. In this question, perimeter is given. Perimeter of a field, rectangular field, is 151 meter, and its breadth is given. They are asking find the length. So we will use the formula related to perimeter. Write down question number 4. Perimeter of rectangular field. It is given 151 meter. And its breadth is given breadth is given 32 meter. 32 meter. So length, formula for finding length is perimeter upon 2 minus breadth. 151 upon 2 minus 32. By 3 cancel 2, 7 the 14, then 2 5 the 10, 2 5 the 10. Then 75.5 minus 32 will come 43.5. This must be the breadth. And length is given 32 meter. They are asking find the length and area. So one answer is length. This is one answer. And area they are asking also area equal to L into B. Length into B. 43.5 into 32. Then it will come 1392. 1392. 0.0 meter square. Unit of area is meter square. If length and breadth are given, all of you understanding? You will know. Now question number 5. All of you see question number 5. The area of a rectangular plot is 340 meters square. Area is given and its breadth 17 meters. Then we can find length. Just like question number 3. So can write area of rectangular block. It is given 340 meters square. And what is given? Breadth is given 17 meter. And its breadth 17 meter. So length is equal to area upon height. 340 upon 17. 17 to the 20 meter. So length and breadth we got. Now see what they are asking. Find the cost of surrounding the plot with a fence at the rate of rupees 570. So they want to fence it, means want to make boundary. It means we need perimeter. Now perimeter of plot is equal to 2L plus B, 2 length 20 plus 17 then it will come 2 into 37, 74 cost of fencing the plot. This is the perimeter and cost per meter is given rupees 5.70. 74 will multiply by 5.70, then it will come 421 rupees and 421.3. All of you are understanding? Understanding now? Now question number 7. I will have this right. All of you must note these questions, these solutions in your copy also. Question number 3 and 5 are of same type. These are my data. Now see question number 7. See question number 7. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. There is a wire which is in the shape of rectangle. Its length 40 centimeter and the breadth 22 centimeter. This is length and breadth of that rectangle is given. If the same wire rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? So first we need to find length of the wire. Length of the wire will be perimeter of the rectangle. Length of the wire is equal to perimeter of the rectangle. Because the wire was made in the shape of rectangle, so it will be equal to 2L plus B. 2 times length is given 40 centimeter and 22 centimeter. 40 plus 20, 22 is equal to 2 into 66, 132 meter. This is the length of wire. Now this wire, see, this wire was like this in the form of rectangle. 40 centimeters and 22 centimeters. Now this again made a square like this. So length will remain same, length of wire will remain same, and this wire will convert into perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is equal to 132 centimeter. Is that centimeter? Okay. Now see length of one side. What will be length of one side? Side is equal to perimeter upon 4. They are asking what will be the measure of each side of the rectangle of the square. So side length of a side is equal to P by 4. 132 by 4 33. No, how much is this? This is not 60, this is 62. Sorry. Then it will come 124 and here also 124, 124, then 31. Centimeter. Side is equal to 31 centimeter. Now what they are asking, see, they are asking also find which shape include more area and by how much. So see, area of square is equal to side square. 31 into 31. 961 centimeter square and area of rectangle length into breadth 40 into 22 880 centimeter square. So which area is more? Area of square is more. It is more by area of square is more. It is more by 961 minus 880, 81 centimeter square. All of you are understanding? So area of square is more. It is more by 81 centimeter square. Now can see question number 9. After 7 we will do question number 9. Here we will be practical. See question number 9. A rectangular path is 45 meter long and 30 meter wide. A path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the path. Find the area. There is a rectangular part. This is a rectangular part. Its length is 45 meter and breadth 30 meter. There is a path. This is path outside the rectangle. I can shade the path. This is path. Shaded part is the path. And width of the path is given 2.5 meter. So see, suppose ABCD is one. And this is EFGH. Then what will be area path will be area of rectangle EFGH minus area of rectangle ABCD. See, these both are 2.5 meter. This and this 2.5, and this side also 2.5, and this side 2.5. So new length will be 45 plus 2.5 and 2.5. So can write it now. See, length of arc 45 meter and breadth 30 meter. Width of arc 2.5 meter. So new length. So new length is length including path. This is length including path. 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5 this side and this side. If we increase, then it will be 50. 50 meter and new breadth. 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. It will be 35 meters. So what would be area part? Area part equal to area of rectangle EFGH minus area of rectangle ABCD. So area of path equal to area of rectangle EFGH minus area of rectangle ABCD. So 50 into 35 minus 45 into 30. It will be 750 minus 1350. 400 meters distance. What they have asked? You see, they asked area part. So how much it will come? It will come 400 meters square. All of you are understanding? So can note this. Okay. Thank you.